Afternoon, everybody. This is Mustafa Driving School, driver training. We got lovely Amelia. Last lesson or previous lesson, she done the big roundabout really good, so we named her the Queen of the Roundabout. So today we're doing a spiral roundabout to see if you can keep the title. Hopefully. I hope you find this video useful if you're learning to drive or just got test coming up, and this video is useful. And this roundabout we're doing is part of infield test route. So anybody's got tests, that would be in the test. Yeah? Good. Any questions?
No.
Drive on ready. Roundabout coming up, yes?
Yeah.
And the roundabout will be going left first exit, yes? So look at the roundabout where the roundabout is. That's the one, yeah? Left first exit, thank you. Oh, I normally look for opportunity. Let's see. Beautiful, thank you. So very soon we're gonna approaching a big roundabout, yeah?
Yeah.
I would like you to go ahead.
Okay.
Second exit, straight ahead, okay? Thank you. I like the way you're slowing down on the approach, well done. How's the roundabout?
Good. Did you think good as well?
That was good, yes, well done. So very soon you're
Yeah.
going to be taking the third exit to the right.
Okay.
So what do we need to do?
Change lanes.
Okay, so show me when it's set, yeah?
Yeah.
Good, yeah. Good, well done.
Is it
now?
safe?
Yes, good, yeah. Good, there you go. Perfect. Good, and when you finish the signal, beautiful. Good, well done. So we're going exit number 3 to the right. And on the floor says M25. Can you see that?
Yeah.
To the right hand side, okay? And this is a spiral roundabout. Well done.
That one was
Yeah,
fun.
there you go. Well done. Good.
Yeah.
That's it, yeah? Good. You want to count the exit?
1.
We're going 3, okay? Good.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what you do now? Well done, beautiful. That's it. Job done. And how's that feel?
Yeah, good.
Okay, beautiful. Now we're going to be going left to the traffic light coming up. Thank you. That's the one. Good. That's so when you go to the roundabout, so make sure count the exit to make your life a lot easier, yeah?
Yeah.
3 to the right, thank you.
The third exit, yeah?
Yes, correct. Can you see A12 on the floor?
Yeah.
That's it, so that's the one you're following, yeah?
Not
now.
now.
Not now.
I could have gone though.
Yes, what
I
about
was
now?
double thinking.
What about now?
Yeah.
Good.
I feel like I know when to go, but I always just get scared.
What makes you scared?
I always like double think just in case like
Just
someone
count it.
comes.
1, 2.
2.
Okay, and then what you do now? Good, well done. Yes, that's good. That's good. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful. Job done.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how's that feel?
Yeah, good.
Well done. Okay. So now roundabout coming up. That's a style roundabout as well. Okay. So what's the speed here?
40.
We're going to take the 5th exit to the right. What do you need to do?
Change it.
Yes, good. Beautiful, yeah. Exit number 5. 5th exit.
Is that like a turn all the way back?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. They bring you back again, okay? So while you stop behind the traffic light, so work out for yourself which one would be the 5th exit, okay? So which one is the first?
There.
Which one is the second?
Straight on.
Which one is the third? Yes?
There and then there.
Understood, yeah. So when the light is changed, yes, so this one's control the traffic light. So you got light there, you got light there, you got 3 lights, yeah? Good.
And I just always stay on the right.
Yeah, it's good, yeah. Until you get there, yeah?
Yeah.
Good, beautiful. Good, yes. Beautiful. Job done. Okay. So once you get that part, what you need to do?
Signal.
As soon as you pass the Aldi, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful.
After this end.
Yes, what you need to do now? There you go. Beautiful. Good. And how's that feel?
Good. I like that one. It's nice with traffic lights. Second exit?
Yes. So this is the first exit, yeah?
Yep.
The second exit is there. Thank you. Beautiful. There you go.
There's so
Good.
much traffic.
Like in the just up to the roundabout. After that will be
Yeah.
no traffic. So how do you feel about the spiral roundabout now?
Yeah, good.
Confident?
Yeah.
What would you scale your confidence on the spiral roundabout?
Like a 6?
What do you need to do differently to reach 6.5 or 7?
Judgments. I don't know. What do you think?
Tell me the things you do know.
I don't know.
If you knew, what would be the answer?
I'll just say like maybe the judgments and just like be a little bit more aware sometimes.
You know what? I agree. can see better. You can see better.
Yeah,
Okay? You don't want to go, but you go a bit more. Don't go yet until it's 100% safe.
Yeah.
But at least you can see better now, isn't it?
Yeah.
The
You're getting in
yellow
my
one
way.
block you. Okay, so just wait.
Yeah.
Go a little bit more forward. And wait again, okay? Because the yellow van blocked your view now, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so just wait. You keep blocking your view.
I know. Oh, sorry. I thought you said second exit.
Yes, I know. But the white car came. You should have not gone.
Yeah, I did think that. I just went with everyone else.
So go
to be
left,
honest.
please. Left. That's okay. Okay. So if you would have gone ahead second exit, that car would have hit you.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I did just go. Just because everyone else went.
No, don't worry about other people, okay?
Yeah.
So let's go left, okay? We turn around and do it again, okay? So you're not responsible for other people.
Yeah.
That makes sense, yeah? Good. Continue. So the other people are taking risks, you don't want to take risks.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you're going to do now, you're going to change your lane to the right side.
Yeah.
Yeah? You're going to go round the roundabout and come back again. Nice and slow. When it's safe. Thank you, okay? Right at that traffic light. That's not, you've done the right thing. So they are left, then come back again.
Yeah.
No, you've done the right thing. There you go. Gas signal right. Okay. So when it's safe, we're gonna go to the traffic light, then go back again to the roundabout. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. So at the roundabout, we're going ahead second exit. You need the middle lane. Okay? So second exit is straight ahead, okay? So don't rely on other people.
Yeah.
When it's safe, you can go, okay? I like the way you're looking early, well done.
Yeah, it was.
Okay.
No, that's fine.
So wait again, that's fine. If you missed it, wait, okay?
Yeah.
And look again.
Keep looking at you.
And how was this time?
Yeah, a lot better.
That's good, yeah?
Yeah, I saw when it was like clear, but then someone got in my way and I didn't want to just like go, so I waited
That's fine.
another.
You done the right thing, yeah?
Yeah.
Because you're not 100% sure, yeah?
Yeah.
Then you took your time and you relax. Then if it's safe, you can go. There's nothing wrong with that, yeah?